yesterday there was a huge crash in the market and we all lost a lot of money. But there are ways in which you can actually make money while the market is crashing. So one common method that you might already know is shorting, but today I'll talk about leverage tokens as well. That is specifically provided by Binance. So how shorting works is, say you think the price of the market is going to go down, like in this chart. So what you do is you borrow a coin from someone who already has the coin, and then you sell it at this price. You sell a coin that you don't have, you borrow it and you sell it at 100. Now you have 100 rupees cash with you, but this is entirely not yours. You still have to return the coin back. And in some time, as you predicted, the coin price actually falls to say 50 rupees. Now you buy the coin back and return the coin back. So here the profit that you made is 100 minus the 50 rupees, which is 50 rupees. And the maximum profit that you can make is when this coin price drops to 0. That will be your entire max profit. That will be 100 minus 0, 100 rupees. But what if instead of the coin price falling, after you have shorted, the coin price starts increasing, like in this graph? Say it goes to 200. Now your net profit will be 100 minus 200. That's a negative 100. You're under a loss. And the worst thing here is your losses are infinite. So as the coin price keeps increasing, your losses keep increasing too. So what the exchanges do at this time is called liquidation. They liquidate your entire portfolio to retrieve the coin back. And if you want to know more about this, you should definitely check out this film Margin Call starring Kevin Spacey. They have beautifully explained what happens when shorting goes wrong. An even better method to go for when the market is crashing is called down coins. So here you just go to your Binance exchange. Binance has introduced down coins, and just type down here in the search, set this to USDT, set the fiat to USDT and search down. So all these are the down coins. So 1 inch down is the down coin for 1 inch. These down coins move in opposite direction to how the actual coin is moving. So say if the 1 inch, the actual coin is going down, the 1 inch down coin will go up. So this is another method in which you can actually make profits when the market is going down. I have a screenshot of this, was yesterday 6:22 p.m. IST. When the entire market was going down, you can see the down coins were actually going up, and look at the percentages. All of them are in 3 digits. But the catch in down coins is that these are derivatives. The coins themselves don't have any value. You should just use them to get in and out of the market. And another thing about down coins is it helps you hedge your portfolio. Say you have concentrated your portfolio in only 1 or 2 coins. Say your entire portfolio is in Ethereum and Bitcoin only. And what if the market drops? You lose your entire portfolio. But instead, if you hedge them, if you have some BTC down coins and ETH down coins as well, when the market unexpectedly drops, these goes up. So this will help you limit your losses. And yeah, so one more thing about the Binance down coins is that you have to be aware of the fees that they have. So if you go to the FAQs here, apart from the trading fees that you have, there is a management fees as well. So this is a daily management fee of 0.01%. This is very minimal. That is, they charge you 1 rupee for every 10,000 rupees of down coins that you hold. And the maximum down coins that you can hold is of 1000 USDT per each of your account. So one good thing or bad thing about crypto is that crypto markets are open 24/7, unlike stock markets, which are open only for a specific period of time. Say if you take Indian stock markets, it's only open between say 9 to 3:30ish. But crypto is open 24/7, and crypto markets news are affected by every other country's regulation. Recently, Turkey said they would ban crypto, and the markets fell down. And crypto is also heavily influenced by tweets, especially people like Elon Musk or Michael Saylor. And this is where you have to utilize down coins. Here there is no liquidation, there is literally no liquidation. You can hold these coins for as long as you want. Even if the actual coin goes up and these coins value goes down, you can still hold it. There is no liquidation of your profile. Here you can see the comparison between BTC and BTC down. You can see that whenever this is going down, this is definitely going up. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to cover something in the next video. Happy trading. Bye bye.